Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and I'm going to show you a really nice 21 Bronco Sport. 66,000 miles. You can see a few lighter, small little rock chips just from being drove. Really no major damage on this at all. Got good tread on the tires, nice and clean wheels. Got the luggage rack. The interior is super clean. Got the Bronco Sport floor mats. 66,666 for miles right now. I've drove it 20, maybe 40 miles. Yep, drove it 40 miles. Runs out good. You can hear the stereo. There's your backup camera. AC works. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. Here's your horn, wipers, lock and unlock. Your mirror works, which you expect it to on a 21 model, all this stuff, but I still like to show it to you, be right up front. You know, we put a 7-year, 112,000 mile drivetrain warranty on it, but that doesn't mean everything's going to work on it. We just like to show it to you. We like, you know. I'll let you have a listen to the engine. Like I said, we got some of the best warranty of anybody around with that 7-year, 112. And that is 7 years from when it went into production or when the odometer hits 112,000 miles. There's your backup camera. You can open the glass or the door, whichever one you want. So you need it. Got a Bronco floor mat in the back. You know, bumper's in good shape, not all beat up. We got to clean up some of this. They buffed it and they got a little wax on it. We're going to get that cleaned up. I'm just out of the stuff to do it, so that's why. But no, good looking inside and out. I mean, yeah, I got 66,000 miles, but that's good road miles, so you know it wasn't drove in town. It was tread's good on the tires. Like I said, comes with warranty, been to our shop, lined, checked over, so it's ready to go. 1.5 4-cylinder in it. Ford uses them in a lot of things. So, super nice Bronco Sport. Any questions, give us a call, 605-695-7391, or our office number, 605-692-7010.